Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. My name's John. I'm the Client Affairs Manager for the firm and I'm a practicing British and international lawyer. I'm backed up here with the in-house team of Thai attorneys, barristers, accountants and consultants. Our team here are English speaking and are dedicated for working for you, our expat and foreign clients in and around Pattaya and the Eastern Seaboard and indeed nationwide. Now today it's quite a big topic. And it's, in essence, with regards to the behaviour of some tourists, expats and residents here over the past few months that has prompted a nationwide crackdown legally on criminal offences involving foreign nationals within the kingdom. And it's a big change which may affect many people. And that's the 30-day rule. There's no more second chances. Pattaya has always had the renowned reputation for being a wild city and a place where you can do anything and everything. Well, I truly think that the days of that are coming to an end. As of 2026, this era is officially over because of the crackdown. So if you're a tourist, an expat or a retiree, there's a new number that you need to know, and that number is 30. 30. That's the number of days in a sentence that will now end your life in the land of smiles. So what is 30? It's the 30-day rule for deportation and blacklisting. We're talking about a massive shift in how Thailand handles bad behaviour, a single night of poor judgment, a joke that goes too far, a handsy moment in a bar, a conflict that gets out of hand. This no longer ends with a small fine. It now ends potentially with a blacklist. And one of the most dangerous laws that's been recently introduced and enforced is the harassment law. So we're going to concentrate on that a little bit. So, harassment. This is backed by two major legal pillars. First, the Act amending the Penal Code, which was number 30, which went into effect in late 2025. This law created sections 2841 and 2844, which officially criminalise sexual harassment as its own offence. Now, in the past, you could argue it was just a joke, you were junk, you were just being cheeky. Not anymore. The 2026 law states that intent for sexual gratification isn't required. If your words, gestures, or digital messages cause distress or embarrassment, you've committed a crime. That it was just a joke defence is legally dead. If a judge or court finds you guilty and hands down a sentence of 31 days or more, the trap shuts and snaps closed. This is where the immigration then takes over. Where there's a sentence passed of 30 days or more, it's an administrative trigger between the Royal Thai Police and the Immigration Bureau under the Immigration Act BE 2522. The trigger is any sentence over 30 days for any offences, including sexual offences, including harassment, now prompts an automatic review of your visa status. So what's the reality? Even if the judge suspends your sentence, meaning that you don't go to prison, the sentence still exists. The result? Immigration views this as a breach of public order under Section 12. Your visa is revoked, you're sent to detention, and you're deported. There it is. That's the potential ramifications. Now, what happens if you're a retiree, or you're on an elite visa, or even more importantly, if you're on a marriage extension or child-based extension due to family here? Now that you're a resident, you might think you're safer than a tourist. Actually, you're in more danger. For a tourist, a blacklist means the end of a holiday. For you, it's a total life collapse. Immigration extensions, as you know, are a privilege, not a right. Convictions for indecent acts or physical acts, assaults, thefts, indecent behaviour are classified as a failure to meet the good character standard and requirement for visa extensions. For retirees, your extension is cancelled and you can be given 7 days to sell your car, pack your house, close your bank accounts and get out. For married people, this is even more brutal. A conviction makes you socially unsuitable. You face forced separation from your family and a permanent ban from re-entering Thailand. What the Thai government and lawmakers and police are after is for each of us, whether Thai residents, expats, foreign nationals, tourists, whatever the case may be, to respect the laws of Thailand and to be courteous and to respect how the system here operates. The government wishes high quality visitors and residents, not people who are going to cause trouble, not people who are going to tarnish the suitability of Thailand as a renowned destination for travellers and retirees. The new system is designed to filter out unsuitable people, whether tourists or expats, visa holders or not. So realistically, what's the takeaway from this? Everybody has a lot to lose. Criminal matters in Thailand are complicated. You can get into criminal situations through negligence, through not knowing the rules, through not thinking things through, by doing things that used to be acceptable that no longer is. These now can make you a target for police, immigration, deportation, and a one-way flight. If you do get into trouble, we have a dedicated criminal team here at Anglo Legal. We provide police station and court, criminal and civil representation in Pattaya and the Eastern Seaboard, and indeed throughout Thailand. Criminal offences in Thailand are serious matters, and with the crackdown on behaviour of some people in this country and some nationalities, the rest of us are being scrutinised and now looked at in more depth. So fines aren't going to just make things disappear anymore. It's now enforceable court action, enforceable sentences, enforceable deportation, and enforceable blacklisting. For all of your legal needs, pop in and see us. I hope that you enjoy these updates as we provide them. It's for you, our community, and the expats. If you're passing, pop in and say hi. Give us a thumbs up and a share on Facebook and YouTube. Drop us a comment. We're here for everything. Thanks for watching.